a short while from now. But Roy, ever since that proposal was made by Sukanta Majumdar, Union Minister, and the topmost leaders of your party in the state of Bengal, there is a huge debate that has broken out. The Trinamool Congress is accusing you of pushing a secessionist agenda. Please explain the logic behind this proposal.
Ma'am, firstly, we expect the leaders of TMC will have basic knowledge of Bengali. In the 49 seconds clip that was shared to the media by BJP media department yesterday, in that clip, from 27 seconds to 31 seconds, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar clearly says, Poschinbonger Ongsho Hishebe, which means as a part of West Bengal. So in the entire clip, he keeps on saying that North Bengal should get the benefits which the northeastern states are also getting the economic benefits because of the similarities these two regions have, maybe in terms of topography or demography or the climatic conditions or whatever. The benefits which the northeastern states are getting, that benefit should also come to West Bengal. And at the end of the clip, he also says that the state should also help the center in this, because I hope that if the state really wants the benefit of North Bengal, and because of difficult terrain and the history of economic backwardness this region has, if the state gets extra fund for the benefit of North Bengal, it will help everyone.
Mr. Roy, just clarify this for our viewers. Explain to us, what does the proposal exactly mean? What did Sukanta Majumdar present before the Prime Minister? Did he say that if North Bengal becomes a part of Northeast, it will get more development? Or did he say North Bengal as a part of the state of West Bengal should get more development schemes? Explain to our viewers, what did that proposal mean?
Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, who is the state president, also the Minister of State of Northeastern region, said that North Bengal as a part of West Bengal should also get the benefits, extra funds of the northeastern regions, which the northeastern region gets, so that the overall benefit of this region take place. Why? Point number one, since the TMC government came to power, only in one budget, 42% of the total budget was allocated to North Bengal. Point number two, when BJP tried to protest against this, TMC made a kind of drama regarding a particular institution named Uttar Konna. They said that it will be the secretariat for the North Bengal, and the people of North Bengal do not have to come to Kolkata. After that, Mamata Banerjee...
Okay, Dr. Roy, we'll just correct your audio line there, but Dr. Shantanu Sen of the Trinamool Congress is joining us. Dr. Sen, the BJP says that the pitch that was made by Dr. Sukanta Majumdar was only for the betterment of North Bengal, so that the region gets benefits of central government schemes. They are not pitching or batting for anything, as you allege, is secessionist in nature. How would you like to respond to what the BJP is saying today?
There are few parts of your question, of the answer to your question number one. If BJP is so much concerned about the development of North Bengal, then people of North Bengal, they gave so many MLAs and so many MPs to Bharatiya Janata Party. Instead of getting involved in the developmental activities, they were busy in stopping the actual fund, in stopping the dues which Bengal was supposed to get from the central government, number one. Number two, in the recently held budget session, we have hardly heard any BJP MP from North Bengal demanding some developmental activities, demanding some fund for development of North Bengal from the central government. Number three, BJP's own MLA, he has ridiculed Mr. Sukanta Majumdar that it is an absurd statement which cannot be done. Number four, BJP is that political party which worked as a stooge of the British rulers during the independent freedom fight. Number four, BJP leaders, they are confusing themselves amongst themselves. Sukanta Majumdar is asking for separation of North Bengal. Ananta Maharaj, who is another MP of Rajya Sabha, is demanding that Coach Bihar should be made a separate union territory. And the BJP leaders of South Bengal, they are saying, no, we are not in the mood to divide Bengal. Their own MLA from Karsiang or Kalimpong, he is contradicting the statement of Sukanta Majumdar.
Dr. Sen, the BJP spokesperson on the panel, Mr. Roy, just a second, let me interject you humbly. Mr. Roy, who's on the panel, he goes on to say that Sukanta Mazumdar didn't even pitch for, you know, North Bengal being a part of the Northeast. But Mr. Roy, stay with us, because that is a soundbite that everybody has heard, and I would like to play that out once again for our viewers. Because what you contest is that Dr. Sukanta Mazumdar went ahead with a proposal which says that North Bengal should get benefits of schemes like the Northeast. Central government schemes, the kind of benefits that the Northeast gets, North Bengal should give it. But the soundbite that is available and that is public says something else. Let's play out that reaction once again.
আজ মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীর সাথে আমি দেখা করেছি এবং দেখা করে মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীর হাতে একটি প্রস্তাব তুলে দিয়ে এসেছি, আপাতত যে একটি প্রেজেন্টেশন তুলে দিয়ে এসেছি যাতে নর্থ ইস্টের সাথে উত্তরবঙ্গের সিমিলারিটি কী কী আছে এবং তার ফলে উত্তরবঙ্গকে নর্থ ইস্টের অন্তর্ভুক্ত করা যেতে পারে, এই ধরনের প্রপোজাল আমি মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে দিয়েছি। এবার মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী তার বিচার করবেন এবং আগামী দিনে যদি নর্থ ইস্টের সাথে উত্তরবঙ্গ যুক্ত হয়, উত্তরবঙ্গ পশ্চিমবঙ্গের অংশ হিসেবে নর্থ ইস্টের সাথে যদি যায়, তাহলে পরে স্বাভাবিকভাবেই উত্তরবঙ্গে কেন্দ্রীয় যে প্রকল্পগুলো আছে সেই প্রকল্পের টাকা অনেক বেশি পরিমাণে পাওয়া যাবে এবং তার সাথে সাথে এই এলাকা অনুন্নত এবং এলাকার উন্নয়ন হবে এবং আমার মনে হয় রাজ্য সরকারেরও এতে বাধা থাকবে না বা রাজ্য সরকারের সহযোগিতা আমরা পাবো।